Morning, everyone. This is Matt over at Milestone Capital Growth Portfolio. Today's Sunday, March 13th. Hope everyone's enjoying the weekend. All right, I want to take a look at four stocks that have the potential for big gains to the upside. We'll see what happens here. Okay, if you're not a member, make sure you join up. We did two videos this weekend regarding strategies and potential great moves on a couple of stocks. Also, we have a big week coming up. I will be live every morning to going over any market movers and market changes and look for different things that we can have potentially to trade. I will be in the live chat room along with about 50 other members, so make sure you stop in with us. It's $500 for a lifetime membership until May 1st, and then we're going to go to $750. So now's your opportunity to please join up and be part of it. Also this week we will be covering our second options course, and that'll be Monday evening. I think it's 7:30. It will be in the newsletter, the time for the classes, and also on Thursday we will do another roundtable regarding charting. So without further ado, let's take a look at these four. CXDC. CXDC has had a nice move off of some nice consolidation period, and we're down. We've been down on the weekly. Let's take a look at this weekly here. We came down, came up a little bit, and now we started accumulation for quite some time. And once it broke over this 200-day moving average, it acted as support. Also, your middle Bollinger Band was there also, so that was definite trigger to start collecting these things for a potential move to the upside, which it has done. And now taking a look at the monthly real quick, you have your relative strength index is at 72. It's pretty high, but if you notice, we are over this block of consolidation resistance. So now we're going to come up to this double top here, 714 area on the monthly. It looks really good. CXDC, keep an eye on it. ORMP is next. ORMP has broken the 50-day moving average on the daily, and looks to come up and break the 100-day moving average next. To after that test this 1579, which is this cluster of tops here. It's moved down quite a bit, and we do have a nice little gap up here at 25, so keep an eye on ORMP. Let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly looks fantastic, still oversold, plenty of room for more upside. Once we get over the middle Bollinger Band, that'll be definitely bullish, and that's at 1450 area, and we'll be very bullish and start moving up higher and probably get this gap. Looking over here at the monthly, you have the double bottom in place right here and a double top over here at 21 area. So you had a nice spike over here to 31. So see if we can pull this off. If this is the double bottom, makes a higher low, and then we can start moving higher. All right, ORMP, keep an eye on that one. ANH, we'll take a look at that one next. ANH has just been in a blast-off mode from 418. Now it's 5 and change, coming up to test this double top here for a breakout. Your 50-day moving average has acted as support. Your 100-day has started to turn to the upside. Relative strength index is moving up nicely. Your volume is just beautiful coming into this. Looking at the weekly here, you're definitely in the bullish mode since this break over here of the middle Bollinger Band. Started moving up. Your 50-day has held as support here, here. So you know that's where your support level is. So you're gonna next stop here is going to test this 533, and then from there we could come up and test is $6.40 and right around the 200-day moving average. Taking a look at your monthly could get very aggressive here because it's about to break the middle Bollinger Band also, and then come up to test the 50 at 6 and change. So keep an eye on ANH for continued growth. RMBS will be your last one here. RMBS, middle Bollinger Band has acted as support for this one all the way down here at this break of the 50-day moving average at 912. Now we're sitting up here at this triple top at 1162. So this looks really good. It's had a nice move, and it has a continued move here. Now you've had a nice consolidation on the weekly until it broke out of it. All right, so if you want to set this box in place, once we broke out of that on the weekly, let's move this down here, and that's set up nicely. Okay, so now we broke out of the consolidation box, and we broke the 200-day moving average on your weekly, and it started moving really solid up to the upside. So what's next for this one? You have the only thing in the way right now is this double top at 18. So look for a nice continued growth on RMBS. Taking a look at the monthly, let's zoom this in a bit. Same thing, break. Your resistance was the 50-day moving average on your monthly. Nice surprise there. This is why you use all your time frames. Okay, so you're consolidating above the middle Bollinger Band, which was fantastic. Okay, off this lower consolidation area, so you're starting to step up into different zones. Look for your next resistance on the monthly to be 15 and change. So coincide with everything else. This looks really good for a nice move to the upside. Again, this is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Look forward to seeing all the new members this week. We're breaking new records last week, so we should be breaking more records this week. All right, everyone, have yourself a great week of trading.